it's been a few days since the Madman anime festival, but I wanted to film a quick little haul of the things that I bought. So I'm just gonna start with this manga that I picked up. It is the Card Captor Sakura manga. I have the first and the second one, so this is the third one. I feel like every single year I make it a tradition to pick up one volume of the manga. So I started with this one, and then I got this one a few years back, and then this year I got number 3. And I don't know if there's a number 4 one, but I didn't see it when I went this year, so I need to actually look that up and have a read. So next I picked up this, which was honestly such a spontaneous purchase. I like picked it up and then it was on clearance for 15 bucks, and I was really shook because I feel like for me it's so hard to come across old school clamp work. This looks like what they did back in the day, so I feel like it's probably really old. Yeah, the exhibition of clamps work 1989 from 2004. It has a figure of Mokona, Sakura and Modoki. I've always wanted things with Mokona on it because she was the freaking cutest character in Tsubasa Chronicle. So finding this, I was honestly really happy. It's so freaking cute. Oh my god, love. Next I picked up some art. I actually hate when I get artwork sometimes at these conventions because I never know the name of the artist, so I can't include them. But it's 3 Studio Ghibli artworks, which is really cute. So one of Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service, one of Princess Mononoke, I think that's how you say her name, I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. And then Calcifer, the fire demon from Howl's Moving Castle, which is super cute. I was actually kind of upset because when I was at this stand, there was a girl in front of me, like next to me, that was looking at these, and I was like looking at the ones that she was looking at, and she had Calcifer, and then she had Chihiro from Spirited Away, and then she purchased them, and when she left I was like, oh, I wanted the same ones that she has, like, because they weren't on the table anymore. So I was like, do you guys have any left? They still had Calcifer, but they didn't have any Chihiro ones left. I was really sad because it was really cute and I really wanted it. So I picked up Princess Mononoke instead, which is still really adorable. I'm still really happy with it, but I really wanted Chihiro. That's okay though, I still love them. They're so nice. It's totally the aesthetic that I love. I picked up pieces from this other artist, and I believe her name is Cherry or Cherry Rabbit because I've tagged in all the stuff. It says Cherry Rabbit. But I've brought artwork from her at different festivals that I've gone to, or like in the past, and I just love her designs because she has that watercolored kind of artwork that I am personally drawn to. So I picked up these keyrings, this really cute one of a bunny sundae. I got this one. I got a Card Captor Sakura, and then I have one of Tomoya from Card Captor Sakura as well. Super cute. I've wanted Tomoya merch for the longest time because I adore her. I also picked up some stickers. Let's stick this on my laptop together. So which one should I stick on my laptop? My laptop is right here. I took off my case, so now it's just, and it already has wings on it, which honestly I purchased because they looked like Card Captor Sakura wings, and I bought them in like Taiwan at a market or something. I honestly don't remember. Oh my god, so freaking cute. These are so adorable. Oh my, ah! Which one is it? Oh, it's Moi. So cute. Shout on. School uniform Sakura. Another cute outfit. Which one should I add? I'm tossing between these two because I feel like they'll match the colors of the wings on my laptop already. So I ended up sticking this one on just because I thought it matched the red wings, because they went really well together, and I think it's really cute. Now I'm like low-key debating if I should stick these ones on because I feel like that would look kind of cute, and I realized that these are like a matching set, so they go together. I don't know. I'm not like really the kind of person that likes to stick a lot of stickers onto my laptop. But now that I've stuck one, I'm like, should I just stick all of them on? I really don't know. Let me know what you think. But I reckon it's so cute. that was all that I purchased at the Madman festival. Honestly, I'm really upset because there was a teddy bear plushie of the teddy bear that Sakura made to give to Shaoran, the pink teddy bear with the wings, and I was like contemplating on getting it for the whole day, and then I decided not to get it, and now I really regret it. I freaking should have just got it. So now I'm gonna have to go back next year and see if they still have it, because I really want it. Hopefully they do have it. Much regret. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! So I was taking a flat lay of this, and I was like, I should probably take the plastic off so it doesn't have a glare. And turns out it's a book. Oh my gosh, and it honestly is so bloody gorgeous. I don't know how I'm going to show this with one hand, but it has the most prettiest pictures throughout. Oh, I love this picture. It's in like pretty much all the art books. Look, it has this page that has all the like covers of the Card Captor Sakura mangas, and it's so gorgeous. I'm literally obsessed. I'm so glad that I got this. It's so nice. Almost makes up for not buying the bear. This is a book. Oh, sorry, it's Japanese, my bad. Most beautiful. Ah, such beautiful. I'm like struggling to show this, I'm sorry. This is so cute.